What to create in Canva to make some passive income. So my today's tip is to create a real estate social media kit. To create a social media templates, it's really saturated market, but real estate niche, it's very popular and profitable. The social media kits for real estates are selling really well, but you need to keep in mind that real estate, you should stick to certain colors and style. The templates are a little bit more difficult to create. It's you should do your research and have a look what actually they need to promote on social media. But once you get that, you can create a kit or bundle of social media templates for Instagram, Facebook, maybe LinkedIn, YouTube, and Pinterest, and so on. Bundle it, give it a great price, and then once you create one set of designs, you can maybe just change the colors or change the fonts or a little bit adjust the alignment of the elements and text and so on. Like, you can recycle what you've already done and create more bundles. Like, just do your research, check Etsy, what are the star sellers or best sellers right now, and